Topic: Nutrition. Questions and answers. 1. A variegated leaf with green and yellow patches is used for an experiment to prove that chlorophyll is required for photosynthesis. Before the experiment, the green portions, A, and the pale yellow portions, B, are observed. A. What will be the color of A just before and after the starch test? B. Write the equation of photosynthesis. C. Mention from which molecule the byproduct of photosynthesis is obtained. Answer A. The color of the green portion, A, before the starch test will be pale yellow because chlorophyll needs to be removed before the starch test. The color of the green portion, A, after the starch test will be blue-black because of the reaction of iodine with the starch present in A. The equation of photosynthesis is as follows. Answer C. The byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. Splitting of water results in the formation of hydrogen used for making glucose and oxygen being liberated as byproduct. 2. Leaves of a potted plant are coated with Vaseline to block the stomata. Will this plant remain healthy for long? State the 3 reasons for your answer. Answer. If leaves of healthy potted plant are coated with Vaseline to block the stomata, then that plant will not remain healthy for long. Reasons for this are as stomata is blocked, there will be no intake of carbon dioxide. Vaseline layer prevents the plant from receiving sunlight. When processes like photosynthesis, transpiration, and respiration stop, the plant will gradually die. 3. How do guard cells regulate opening and closing of stomatal pore? Answer. Stomata are the tiny pores present on the surface of leaves through which gaseous exchange and transpiration takes place. The plant closes these pores when it does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. The opening and closing of the pore is regulated by guard cells. The guard cells swell and become turgid when water flows into them, causing the stomatal pore to open. Similarly, the pore closes if the guard cells shrink, due to loss of water which makes them flaccid. This diagram shows the guard cells. 4a. Name the process used by the plants to synthesize food and name the type of nutrition found in green plants. B. Write 3 events that occur during the process. Is it essential that these steps take place one after the other immediately? Answer A. Green plants synthesize food by the process photosynthesis and show autotrophic nutrition. The raw materials required are carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Answer B. 1. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. 2. Conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. 3. Reduction of CO2 into carbohydrates. These steps need not take place one after the other immediately. For example, desert plants take up carbon dioxide at night and prepare an intermediate which is acted upon by the energy absorbed by the chlorophyll during the day. 5. When do desert plants take up CO2 and perform photosynthesis? Answer. Desert plants take up carbon dioxide at night, as their stomata remains closed during the day to prevent transpiration. They store CO2 in the form of an intermediate compound during night and use it for the process of photosynthesis during daytime. 6. Draw a diagram to show the nutrition in amoeba and label the parts used for this purpose. Mention any other purpose served by this part other than nutrition. Answer. Here is a diagram for nutrition in amoeba. Pseudopodia serves the purpose of locomotion apart from nutrition. 7. Explain the process of nutrition in amoeba. Answer. The mode of nutrition in amoeba is holozoic. Here is a diagram for the various stages. The various steps involved in the process of nutrition are ingestion. Amoeba ingests food with the help of its finger-like projections, pseudopodia. Amoeba forms pseudopodia around the food particle that it comes across, thereby creating a food vacuole within its body. Digestion. Various enzymes from the cytoplasm enter into the food vacuole and break them down into simple soluble molecules. Absorption. The simple soluble nutrient molecules are absorbed by cytoplasm from food vacuoles through the process of diffusion. Assimilation. Amoeba obtains energy from the absorbed food through respiration. This energy is utilized for its growth and repair of the body. Egestion. The undigested food is egested by the formation of contractile vacuoles through diffusion. 8. Why does raw bread taste sweet after chewing in the mouth? Answer. When raw bread is chewed, the enzyme salivary amylase present in saliva converts the starch present in the bread into simple sugar, maltose, which gives a sweet taste. 9. Define peristaltic movement. Answer. Peristaltic movement is the rhythmic, wave-like contraction and relaxation of the muscles lining the alimentary canal which helps in the forward movement of the food. 10. State the role of the following in human digestive system. A. Digestive enzymes. B. Hydrochloric acid. C. Villi. Answer. A. Digestive enzymes. Digestion of food requires digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes speed up chemical reactions that break down large insoluble food molecules into small soluble molecules. These enzymes are released or secreted by the organs of the digestive system. Few examples of digestive enzymes are amylase, produced in the mouth. It helps break down large starch molecules into smaller sugar molecules. Pepsin, produced in the stomach. Pepsin helps break down proteins into amino acids. Trypsin, produced in the pancreas. Trypsin also breaks down proteins. Pancreatic lipase, produced is in the pancreas. It helps to digest fats. Answer. B. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, is an important acid in the stomach. It helps in killing bacteria and other harmful microbes. Apart from that, HCl creates an acidic medium which facilitate the action of pepsin for digesting proteins. Answer. C. Villi. Villi are finger-shaped projections located on the inner surface of the small intestine directed towards the lumen of the intestine. It increases the surface area of the intestine so that the nutrients produced after the digestion of the food can be effectively absorbed. The villi are richly supplied with blood vessels which take the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body. 11. Name any 3 glands associated with digestion in humans. Write the names of the enzymes secreted by them. Answer. The 3 glands associated with digestion in humans are 1. Salivary glands. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands in the mouth. It helps in secreting saliva, which consists of the enzyme salivary amylase, which helps in the digestion of complex carbohydrate. 2. Gastric gland. Stomach consists of gastric glands which secrete gastric juice. Gastric juice contains the enzyme pepsin which helps in the digestion of protein. 3. Pancreas. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which consists of the enzymes trypsin and lipase. Trypsin helps to digest protein and lipase helps to digest fat. 12. What is the role of mucus in our stomach? Answer. Gastric mucus acts as a barrier that protects the inner lining of the stomach from the corrosive action of hydrochloric acid under normal conditions. It also helps in lubrication of food masses in order to facilitate movement within the stomach. 13. What are the simplest digestive products of carbohydrate, fats and protein? The process of digestion helps breakdown of complex substances into simple soluble forms in order to facilitate absorption. The simplest digestive products of carbohydrate, fats and protein are as follows: carbohydrates to glucose, simple sugar, fats to fatty acids and glycerol, proteins to amino acid. 14. How is required pH maintained in the stomach and intestine? Answer. Gastric glands present on the walls of the stomach release HCl, which creates an acidic medium in stomach to facilitate the action of enzyme pepsin. Bile juice from liver makes the food alkaline in small intestine. This alkaline medium is required for the action of pancreatic enzymes in the small intestine. 15. State the role of liver and pancreas in digestion. Answer. Liver secretes bile juice which is stored in the gallbladder. Bile juice is alkaline in nature and helps to convert the acidic food coming from the stomach into alkaline form so that pancreatic enzymes can act on it. Bile salts help to emulsify larger fat globules present in the food into smaller ones to increase the efficiency of enzyme action. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which contains digestive enzymes like trypsin and lipase. Trypsin digests proteins and the lipase helps in the breakdown of emulsification of fats. 16. Name the organ which performs the following functions in humans. A. Absorption of digested food. B. Absorption of water. Answer. A. Small intestine. B. Large intestine. 17. Why is the small intestine in herbivores larger than in carnivores? Digestion of cellulose is difficult and takes a longer time. Hence, herbivores eating grass need a longer small intestine to allow complete digestion of cellulose. Meat is easier to digest, hence carnivores have a shorter small intestine.